Hey folks, Farm Marshall here. I just want to take a couple minutes to show you how I have my garden set up for preparation for a hard freeze. Now we had a hard freeze last night and I took off some of the plastic already, but I thought, you know what, while I'm doing this I should go and at least share it with some people. So what I did is, actually about a month ago we had a hard freeze and I was nowhere near prepared for it. So I ran to the store, got some plastic, and I'm out here at 7, 8 o'clock at night because it was dark, trying to unroll plastic and pull everything over my plants and trying to avoid stepping on them. And so what I did is, next time I figured I need to be more prepared. What I did is, since I had the plastic out here and I had some scrap wood, and I just stapled the wood to the plastic. Now you can staple it or nail it or whatever. And you've probably seen the plastic on the back side of my garden over here, just folded up. And so last night what I did is I just came out, grabbed a piece of board with the plastic connected to it, and I just pulled it on out. I have 3 pieces of board, 3 pieces of plastic, and all I have to do is unroll it. So now, when it's time to take the wood up, and you don't have to have a big piece of wood. This is probably a bigger piece of wood than I need. All I have to do is roll it back to the other side of the garden, and I'm prepared for Saturday night, which is Christmas Eve. Because we're supposed to get down to 28 degrees that night. Santa's going to be cold. He's got to put on some long underwear for Georgia. So anyway, that's all I do. This way, when you have a hard frost coming up, it's a little easier to get your vegetables covered. So anyway, hope you guys have a nice holiday, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Of course, I'll probably see you before then, hopefully. Now let's get out there and get a little dirty. Grow some food. Prices are not getting cheaper.